Hi guys, I am a fork. Hi guys, I am a spoon.
Hi guys, I am a knife.
Hi guys, I am a cup.
Hi guys, I am a teapot. Hi guys, I am a bowl. Hi guys, I am a plate. Hi guys, I am a salt shaker.
Hi guys, I am a blender.
Hi guys, I am an oven. Hi guys, I am sugar. Hi guys, I am a frying pan.
Hi guys, I am a pot.
Hi guys, I am a whisk.
Hi guys, I am a microwave.